Hey guys, so great and underfarmed airdrop opportunity from the Layer 3 project. This is basically a project where you do different quests on different chains. For example, you can see you can do quests on all of these chains, which are basically very cheap. What you want to concentrate on this project on the Layer 3 is collecting these cubes. For example, I have already claimed and collected, basically minted 147 cubes by doing these tasks. And the best part is that around 70% of the cubes that you will have to mint will be on the base chain, on the base blockchain. So the gas fees on the base are around 1 to 2 cents. So this is quite bullish, and you can basically collect at least 100 cubes in few days if you put your time in. I basically collected, I think, 100 cubes in around 1 week. And right here you can see one of the Layer 3 team members are saying that he's recommending you to collect the 100 cubes. And as you can see here, everything counts. Cubes are just a one factor. Your experience, leaderboard rankings, your status as an early beta user and as an OG user matters as well. So if you started early this Layer 3 quests, you probably qualify for the OG early beta user badge or status. I didn't qualify for these things because I started like 2 or 3 months ago, and that's quite late, but I'm still collecting my cubes. And here you can see done statistics that if you have collected 100 cubes on Layer 3, you are in the top 4,000 holders, basically minters. And if I search myself, John Savage, it haven't yet updated the cubes that I own because I own 147 cubes right now. And here it says 128, and my rank is 1395, which is quite high because there are around 200,000 total users. But as we all know, the farming is very underrated because most people actually don't farm. They maybe do that first day or 3 day tasks and then they leave the farming. So this is basically me doing these cubes for 2 months or something like that, and I am already in the rank 1395. And after this updates to 147, I think I will be in the top 1000 rank. I mean, I will be at least 999 rank, and that's quite easy. All you have to do is mint the cubes, do the quests where you mint cubes. And another thing is, if you decide that you will do these quests, and experience points matter as well. Here you can see my leaderboard. For example, all-time high points are 54,000 experience points. And what I would recommend you to do that I didn't do effectively from the beginning is if you decide that you will do, for example, 20 or 30 or 50 tasks and mint like as many cubes as you can in 1 day, I would recommend you to do this 3x boost or 3x XP boost at least. And as you start doing these quests, you will be able to get gems and basically these rewards as you do quests in the beginning. So you will have a chance to unlock these 3x boosts, gems, 2x boosts, and I would recommend you to do the tasks and basically enable the boost, the 3x boost when you do these quests, and do as many quests as you can and mint as many cubes as you can while you have the 3x boost, so your rank will be higher. And for example, if I have a 1000 rank for my cubes, for experience points, I'm only in the top 21,000 because I basically started this late, and I think you could get much more experience points if you started early. So that's my recommendation. Do the 3x boost when you are doing tasks and do as many as you can while you have the boost. And another thing which is great about this project layer 3 is, for example, you are minting most of your cubes on base blockchain, which is layer 2 on Ethereum, and it is tokenless right now. And basically, when you are minting, you are doing transactions on the base blockchain. And that's really bullish because you are basically doing multiple airdrop qualifiers by doing transactions on different multiple networks and blockchains. For example, Base, ZK Sync, Linea, Celo, what else? I think Gnosis doesn't have a token. Zora doesn't have a token yet. Mode doesn't have. So basically, you can select these. By the way, these have really low fees. And if you don't have a big funds, big money, you can do these cheap ones. This will cost you a few cents to do. And yeah, what you want to do is do some swaps. And I would recommend you to do swaps on all of these chains. Because that will most likely qualify for a bigger airdrop because you're paying fees, the layer 3 fees, while you are doing these swaps, and do the bridges, the cross-chain bridges as well. I will definitely do these. And right here you can see you can even do these on the scroll. And again, as you are doing transactions and bridging transactions on scroll, you are qualifying for a scroll airdrop. And if we are talking about the scroll airdrop that is coming probably in summer or maybe next year, who knows, I would recommend you to bridge from Ethereum to Scroll. So they basically posted a meme of the native Scroll, Ethereum to Scroll bridge. So I would recommend you to do this. And if you have enough money to bridge from Ethereum to Scroll, you could do this every month, at least once. So you basically get a bigger airdrop for the Scroll as well. And why they are hinting this is because they don't want thousands or even hundreds of thousands of fake accounts that are just doing 1 cent, 2 cent transactions on Scroll. They want you to basically pay some native Ethereum to Scroll fee, which will be probably around $20. So there are not that many Sybil accounts that are just farming Scroll transactions and trying to get the Scroll airdrop on 10 different or 20 different wallets. So that's why they are hinting to do this bridge from Ethereum to Scroll. And I think that's quite fair because many people are farming on multiple, and I mean 10 to 20 wallets. And this is great way to fight with this because you will have to spend at least $200 if you are farming on 10 wallets. So that's quite interesting, and I think that's good. And as you can see, layer 3 raised around $6.2 million. So the valuation could be, I think, from 100 million to 500 million. And I don't know about the airdrop allocations. And yeah, let's come back to the layer 3 cubes. You can see the first place has 233 cubes. I think there are around 170 cubes right now that you can mint on the layer 3 website. So you can get quite high on this leaderboard if you are putting in some work. And right here you can see the season ends in 27 days. That's a plenty of time to collect as many cubes as you can. For example, I have 147 cubes. I think after 20 days I will have at least 200 cubes because I am doing these streak quests as well, which means that you have to do swap on ZK Sync, swap on base. So basically I do 5 swaps, 1 swap every day for 5 days. I get a cube. For ZK Sync X swap base, here I have to do a swap for 3 days, every day once. So that's 5 extra cubes for me, and there will be more quests. I think they are adding more cube quests every day. So that's basically my recommendation. And all the links are in my bio. The layer 3 website for quests is in my bio. I will put these statistics in my bio as well, so you can track your cubes. I think they are updating every day or every few hours. So this is a great way you can track your progress and climb up that leaderboard. And if you don't want to miss on any upcoming NFT crypto airdrop alpha, press the subscribe, press the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.